This is how to add a keyboard shortcuts to any app on a Mac, just using the native software. I'm going to be using Freeform as an example for the app. Say you want to insert a line with an arrowhead here. You can see I've already added some other custom keyboard shortcuts, but I want one for line with arrowhead. So let's go to System Preferences, and under Keyboard, go to Keyboard Shortcuts. Then I want to come down to App Shortcuts. If you see your app there, you can select it. You can already see the keyboard shortcuts that I've already created. Let's add plus to create a new one. Now, I want to select my application, Freeform, from the menu, so this only works in Freeform. The menu title will be exactly as it shows in Freeform. First will be Insert. So I'm going to type Insert here. Then I want to add a dash and an arrow. And then the next line item was line with arrowhead. So after the dash arrow, I'm going to type line with arrowhead. Down here to the keyboard shortcut, I click. Let's use Control A for this. Type Control A, done, and done. Back to the app, and we'll have to do Control A. There you go. You can enter them real fast. That's it.
Welcome to Kyler's Studio.